Hi all. I was working with this photo the other day, this Mars atmosphere photo, and what I wanted to do was I was going to lighten up the black on the top, but when I did that, I came across something so weird. I wanted to show it to you guys because I don't understand it myself. Now, I think it's a UFO factory. I know, how crazy, huh? But the whole top is the same way. Now, you notice the one in blue here. Um, one down below it kind of has a neck, and it's kind of really weird shaped. I didn't do anything with it. All I did was just lighten it up, and all this stuff came in. This thing is huge. And the cigar UFO right there, we all know what a cigar UFO looks like, and doggone it, that looks like it's kind of like sitting on a pedestal, you know. Um, you got me. And let me go on down here a little bit, and that's where I got the yellow arrows. Now, there's all kinds of geometrical shapes that, artifacts make, but some of these are just too impossible to have 10 geometrical shape exactly side by side, and I'll show you as I get going here. It'll be quick. I call these trailers right now. You notice the vents are on the same side, which is odd. And then let me scroll on down here a little bit more, and let me get to the windows. Oh, look at all these windows right here. The two that are like doubled, and there's three right down here, and it's right along. Each level has a row of windows. Then as you scroll, I'll try not to say that. As you scroll on down, there's more windows. It just doesn't make any sense. It looks like it's a factory. And here, let me get full screen. Now here, this looks kind of odd to me. I don't know. They look the same. Looks like to me it's like maybe I don't know, two dogs sitting down. Yeah, what I'm trying to say is the shapes are the same. Even the shapes on the bottom are the same. It looks like there's a stick figure dog, another stick figure dog, and the male's got a bigger mouth, and the female right here. And look at the shapes on the bottom; they're the same. So what are they holding their kids while they're chatting? I was just kidding you. I have no idea what it is, but they look the same. And let's move on. Now here, right here, as it steps up, each side is the same, and to me that just doesn't seem right. And then here, scroll out a little bit so you can see it. There's like triangular UFOs, and they're faced the same direction. You're going to see these everywhere on it, like an arrow of some sort. It doesn't make any sense to me. And then right down below here, I keep trying to read this to think it says something, but it probably doesn't. I see a V, and it's but that's just the way it goes. But maybe not, maybe so, maybe not. And now to this one right here. These two doors, or windows, let's call it, and right above it is the wine bottle looking things. Well, they're in two different cubby holes. How can an artifact do that? I just don't think so. It doesn't make any sense to me. That's pretty much near to impossible. And let's move on again. There's like 20 of these, so I'll try to be quick about it. Okay, these squares. Okay, we got too big and too little. All right, up here, too big, too little, and there's a whole bunch more of those. And then there's two crosses together. This doesn't make sense. And we got the I'd call it a 4-bolt pattern right here. There's a lot of those too. Move on. Here we go again with two big squares, two little squares, kind of side by side to each other. And then right here, these look the same with a square in the middle and then 4 small rectangles on the outside. This doesn't happen with artifacts.